Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a payment method or change a payment method in your Facebook ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a payment method to your Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Sometimes if you get a credit from Facebook ads, you still need to connect a credit card in order for it to work. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a payment method, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little credit card icon called Billing and Payments. Okay, once you do that, here on the left side, you're going to click on Payment Methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll to the bottom and then click here on Add Payment Method. Okay, next you get to choose what type of payment method you want to add: debit, credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add a credit card, and then you click on Next. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in the credit card detail. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, click on Save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you should see a green check mark confirming the payment method was added. And here you can go ahead and enter in the business information if you want. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add or change your Facebook ad payment method, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.